blessing, so stop second guessing yourself. Remove the veil, inhale, exhale, to see right through the lies he tells.
Hey guys, it's Curlytashh. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. What's good, what's poppin'? So today, you guys, as you can tell, I straightened my hair and your girl is feeling it, okay? I have not straightened my hair in about a year and I'm just loving it. My hair's grown just so much. I could use a trim, that's for sure. If you guys want to see how I went from this to this, then just keep watching this video. Don't forget to like this video, comment on this video, and subscribe to my channel, guys. And let's just go ahead and get started with this video. Hey guys, so as you can see, I already have one side of my hair completely done. So now I'm just going to be focusing on the other side. I like to first section off my hair and get the rest of the hair on the top of my head and just clip it there so it will not move and get in my way. And the oil treatment and heat protectant that I'm going to be using is the Garnier Frizzy Sleek and Shine Moroccan Sleek Oil Treatment. This is for frizzy, dry, unmanageable hair, and this stuff smells so amazing. So as you can see, I am going over my hair as I straighten it multiple times, but that is only because I do not straighten my hair on the highest heat setting. I never do that. I always use the lowest setting and just go over my hair however many times. I know some people might say that's bad, but that's just how I've always straightened my hair. So the process is pretty much the same for this entire video, so if you want to fast forward, cool. But before you do, go ahead and hit that like button and hit that subscribe button while you're at it, and click that bell so you're notified every time your girl posts a new video. And yeah, I just love you all so much, and if you thoroughly watch my videos, I just want to say how much I appreciate you. You're a real one. So I'm just going to let y'all watch this video, and I will catch y'all guys whenever I'm done. Who is this? Like, stiff wear, sis. Okay guys, so now I'm just going to add a little bit more of this oil to my hair. Not a lot at all because I don't want it to be weighed down. So that is enough. I'm gonna rub it together and I'm gonna apply it to the top of my head and just run it throughout my hair, especially my ends. Okay guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like this video, comment on this video, and subscribe to my channel, guys. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.